What up YouTube, GT Classics here. What I have here today is a 16-inch MacBook Pro. Now this is the first 16-inch variant and it's my first MacBook Pro. So let's go ahead and open this and see what we get inside. Opening the box, we agreed with the beautiful space gray 16-inch MacBook Pro. Very nice, sturdy, thick box. Let's put that aside, see what else we get. Type-C charging cable, some manuals, and the charging brick. That's all you get. Let's put that aside and just look at what we really want to see here, the MacBook Pro itself. Satisfying sound of the plastic. What a beautiful machine. It is my first MacBook Pro, so I am really excited. Let's open it up and see it start up. Taking a look at the bottom, on the left and right you see the air intakes. That's the right, that's the left. And on the back we have the outlet where the fans blow out the air from the inside of the MacBook. Taking a look at the left side, we have two Type-C ports. Taking a look at the right side, we have two Type-C ports and a headphone jack. That's all for ports. No USB, no memory card, nothing like that. I have it all set up now. Let's open it up and take a look at it. Touch ID to unlock. Very nice machine. This is the base 16-inch model with the touch bar. And if you haven't subscribed, be sure to subscribe. I do have a skin from Slick Wraps coming in and a video on that coming soon as well. It is a limited edition skin, so it's something that you don't want to miss. Be sure to comment, like and subscribe.